Hello everyone, welcome to Tableau training. In this video, I would like to navigate to the Tableau desktop tool. I have just opened the Tableau desktop tool and it looks like the same way how it looks like here, right? And if you see, notice the menu bar, right? We have file, data, help. In the file, we can open new Tableau desktop tool, one more tool, right? We can open one more like this, correct? And in the left pane, we have connect with this. This shows the connect to from multiple databases. We can pull the data and design our own reports, right? So here, if you see the example in Tableau desktop, we'll be having limited options, and whereas in Tableau public, right? So we'll have all the many options. So if you see the here Microsoft Excel, when I click on the Microsoft Excel, we can open the Excel, any Excel file for our Tableau visualization reporting. And next one is text and JSON file, Microsoft Access file, PDF, spatial file, and statistical file. So and here you see now, like these are the files to a file, and here if you notice to a server, from the server meaning that O database meaning Oracle database, and there are few more options. When I click on more, from Google Sheets itself we can take it as a source and create a report, and O database and web data connector. So as long as we do have the licenses, so we can go with this. For our training purpose, I'll go with the Microsoft Excel, right? And when you notice here, see here, no, like you can open Tableau from Tableau public, open from Tableau public itself from here, and data. See, these are options, right? These options you can use it later. I'll show you. So now let me open a sample store which I will be using for this entire training. So sample store for Tableau is the data source. I'm going to use it. So the moment I clicked on it, it showed us, it pulled us to the worksheet. This is the worksheet. Automatically, it has pulled the data. So let me show you the data as well. So this is the Excel sheet I am opening there. So this is the Excel sheet. So to view the same data, we need to click on which tab you want. So we do have Orders tab, Returns tab, People tab. So I would like to work on Orders tab. Let's say like I would like to work on Orders tab. So in the Orders tab, just double click on. We can do the double click on the Orders tab. It will automatically drag to this place, or we can drag and drop here. See, the data has been populated. The moment I have like the drag and drop here. So if you compare the data, same data would have come here. See, row ID, order ID. I'm just checking the one or two fields, right? So if you notice the data, right? So we can easily see the there will be small data types we can easily make out actually. Not like Excel. See, in the Excel we don't know under which data type it is. So here, if you notice, since it is row ID, it's a standard column, right? Like row ID, it has small blue color icon. You can notice. So here it clearly says that it's a standard column, right? And here it's text. Here it's calendar, right? Date field. This date field. So here if you see the globe, small globe, right? Small globe indicates it is territory type, right? So using this we can create the map, right? So like this, right? We do have easily we can find out the data type of the particular field, right? If you notice the number field, since this number field has got hash for both float and number, right? So this is how when you pull the data, you need to drag the tab to the this area, then we can populate the data. So to create the report, we have to go to the click on the sheet, it will take us to the designer area. So here the data has been divided into two types. One is dimensions and then measures. So dimensions and measures, I will explain you in the I'll just, for this video I'll make it simple. Only we are going to the navigation, right, in this video, and I'll explain you dimension and measure in the later part of the courses, right. So here if you see now, like we have file menu, data menu, worksheets, dashboards, story, analysis, map, format, window, help, right. So at any time we can take the help from the standard portals, right. Like, and here if you want to go back to the previous sheet, right, previous sheet where we pull the data source, right, you can still go with this. So there is a, under the file menu, there is a small globe kind of icon is there, right. Just click on it. It will take us to the data source page. So here again, let me go to the, see, as I said, if you double click also, the data will be pulled here. Let me click on the sheet, right. So in this area, right, we do have a lot of options like panes, like this is page pane, filter pane, marks pane, right, and then column cells, row cells, and then here if you notice, no, like show me menu. The show me menu will give us all the charts which are possible from Tableau, right. This is how we can navigate to the designer, Tableau designer. I would like to close this session here, and we'll continue in the next one.